inhibitors exemplified by your empagliflozin and dapagliflozin. So ito lang yung kanina sinabi, yung RAAS blockers, beta adrenergic receptor blockers or yung beta blockers, and most recently, SGLT2 inhibitors, 4 pillars of pharmacotherapy. Kasi yung SGLT2 kasama na dun yung RAAS, di ba? Kasama na dito yung mineralocorticoid antagonist. So, they improve cardiac structure and function. So, yung remodeling, it can prevent ventricular remodeling and consequent reduction in symptoms. So, magaling siya, di ba? Very promising, pero syempre ang pangit din ng may heart failure. Functionally, yes. Symptomatically, yes. Pati yung anatomically kasi structure. So, there's improvement in QOL or quality of life, decrease the burden of hospitalization, so luluwang ang parking, walang ma-hospital, and a decline in mortality from both pump failure and arrhythmic deaths. Sa 8th floor ang luwang-luwang pero ubos na yung gasolina mo. Saka hilong-hilugan siya. Ang taas. Gap na lang ako minsan. Next time lang. So, how about the neurohormonal antagonism? It can reduce 23% reduction in mortality, and it can reduce also by 35% in combining mortality and hospitalizations for heart failure in patients treated with ACE inhibitor. So, tandaan nyo lang lagi, ARB or ACE or ARNI better than ACE, better than ARB, pero parehas sila doon. Yung second are beta blockers. Yung third class is your mineralocorticoid antagonist. And then yung fourth is yung SGLT2 inhibitors. With beta blockers, it provides a further 35% reduction in mortality. So dito, class, tandaan nyo lang, dalawa yung drug sa slide nito ang nakaka-decrease ng mortality doon sa apat na yon. So that is your ACE or ARB or ARNI and your beta blockers. Hindi sinabing nakaka-decrease ang mortality yung SGLT2 saka yung antagonist. So, eto na. Sa paradigm heart failure trial, sinabi lang dito na yung ARNI kasi dito, ang generic nito or yung drug na represents ARNI is your sacubitril valsartan. It is 20% better compared to enalapril. Class, ang enalapril is your ACE inhibitor. So kahit magkakaklase sila, mas better ng 20% yung ARNI, which is your basta ngayon, pag sinabi natin ARNI, isa lang yun, ARNI or sacubitril valsartan, slash na rin isa. So, 16% reduction also in all-cause mortality. So, hindi ko lang sinabi kung 16% better siya sa enalapril. Pero ang clear lang dito,